I'm Mighty Joe, and today I'm with...
Me, Lydia.
And I'm Eric.
Today we're going to be taste testing
Pink lemonade.
Ooh.
Just the dust.
lemonade.
It tastes good.
Everyone
Why are we
get-
doing this?
Wait.
Alright, y'all have to get a
Okay,
spoonful.
alright.
Alright, Joe, I'll say on your mark is set, and then you
Hold
have
on.
to go, okay?
Oh, this is too much.
You guys should definitely do
Look how
something.
much
This is
I
too much.
got.
For like this?
Yeah.
Oh, Eric.
Oh my
you're
god,
nasty.
Eric. Whole spoon.
Alright, on your mark, get set, the whole spoonful, go!
Mmm.
Really powerful lemonade.
Mmm. Oh.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Joe's like, it's good, it's good. Went for round 2.
It's pretty
Too
good.
much.
So, Joe, what do you think?
Oh,
Oh. Little challenge that we should do. Okay, me and Joey going second try.
oh, Joe's on the 3rd, I think.
You're in third?
Please let that be the sugar-free version.
It's got sugar.
Isn't it just made of sugar?
17 grams of sugar.
His nose is getting red.
This turned into a taste test, or this was a taste test, but now we're just eating out of the thing.
And
Should
there
probably
goes the
cut.
taste cut.
Okay, Joe, you have to give an impression. What do you think? None of you fell over. Would you do it again?
With a water and drink, maybe.
Maybe with some water.
That would be definitely going to help us.
Joe's just cool with eating it.
Here's
I
the
still
man.
think cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Okay, you have
So
to...
that's all.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Wait, no, wait, Mom, they have to do the impressions. Thumbs up.
Oh.
Oh, that's right.
Oh, okay.
Thumbs up or thumbs down.
That's
It's not too bad. What about you, Joe?
That's good.
Put your thumb.
Totally
Okay.
stuff.
Totally good.